to grin. The ballet of daily life swirls like the snow, to whose arrival we are resigned. On the trees the buds are troublemakers, swelling in the face of solid gray. The room was suddenly rich, and the great bay window was spawning snow and pink roses against it. Soundlessly collateral and incompatible, world is suddener than we fancy it. World is crazier and more of it than we think. Incorrigibly plural, appeal and portion. A tangerine in spit the pips and feel the drunkenness of things being various. And the fire flames with a bubbling sound. The world is more spiteful and gay than one supposes. On the tongue, on the eyes, on the ears, in the palms of one's hands, there is more than glass between the snow and the huge roses. There's more than glass between the snow and the huge roses. Suddenly rich, and the great bay window was spawning snow and pink roses against it. Soundlessly collateral and incompatible, world is suddener than we fancy it. World is crazier and more of it than we think. Incorrigibly plural, appeal and portion. A tangerine and spit the pips and feel the drunkenness of things being various. And the fire flames with a bubbling sound. The world is more spiteful and gay than one supposes. On the tongue, on the eyes, on the ears, in the palms of one's hands, there is